Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to understand how reproduction in gymnosperm occurs. Gymnosperms adult plant body is a sporophyte, which is diploid structure. Sporophyte produces spores, microspores and megaspores through their cones. Since they produce two types of spores, they are called heterosporous species. Now this is a sporophyte which I have shown. Sporophyte produces male cone and female cone. It can be produced on the same tree or on the different tree. Male cone contains an axis on which special leaf-like structure called microsporophylls are present. Microsporophyll contains microsporangia. Together, any microsporophyll bearing microsporangia is regarded as microsporangiate. Microsporangia contains certain cells, out of which one of the cells will behave like microspore mother cell. It will undergo meiosis. When one cell undergoes meiosis, there is formation of 4 daughter cells which are haploid. So there will be formation of 4 microspores which are haploid. Microspore, now it will undergo maturation inside the microsporangia. It will develop into male gametophyte, which we call as pollen grain. Male gametophyte contains a male gamete within. If you consider species like Pinus, they have winged pollen grains. That is about male part. Let us understand the female part. Female cone is produced on the sporophyte. Female cone contains megaspore, special leaf-like structure arranged around the axis known as megasporophyll. Megasporophyll gets megasporangia. Inside megasporangia, there is presence of similar cells known as nucellus, which is diploid, because these are conserving parts of sporophyte. Hence, all these are diploid. Any megasporophyll bearing megasporangia is regarded as megasporangiate. These nucellus, out of many nucellus present, one of the nucellus behaves like megaspore mother cell. It will undergo meiosis, forms 4 haploid megaspore, because meiosis results in haploid cell formation. Out of 4 megaspore, 3 will degenerate, 1 will behave like a functional megaspore. This functional megaspore later on develops into haploid female gametophyte, because megaspore is here, female gametophyte is also here. Female gametophyte, now it will develop archegonia. It will develop 2 to 3 archegonia containing egg. But even though 2 to 3 archegonia are there, only one is involved in the process of fertilization. Next, now when archegonia is ready, if pollen grain produced are released out, they are carried by the air. So pollination occurs through the air. They come to the female cone. In the female cone, now pollen grain produces pollen tube and delivers its nucleus or a male gamete. If a pollen is delivering its gamete through a pollen tube, such method is called siphonogamy. So through siphonogamy, pollen tube delivers its male gamete and a female gamete undergoes fertilization. It will result in the formation of diploid zygote. Where it is going on in the female gametophyte, which is haploid. So there is diploid zygote and a haploid female gametophyte. Now zygote will undergo division, develops into a diploid embryo, 2n to 2n. And look at here, female gametophyte, which is haploid, it will surround the embryo, forms a nutritious tissue which is known as endosperm. Endosperm, since it has developed from female gametophyte, which is haploid, it is also haploid, whereas in angiosperm, if you consider, endosperm is triploid. Now further, once fertilization, embryo formation, endosperm formation is over, outside what happens? Let us look into the structure. Megasporangium, which is nothing but ovule. Ovule turns into seed. And in gymnosperm, they are characterized by a single hard integument. One of the precursor for seed habit is hard integument should be there. So single integument. If single integument is there, they are regarded as unitegmic. It is diploid structure because it is a part of sporophyte. So these integuments, now they harden up, forms a seed coat. Ovule turns into seed, inside seed, endosperm and embryo will be present. If so, in the plant they will be producing seed. Ovary is not there, so there is no ovary around seed, hence they are called naked seeded plant. If this seed germinates, it will give rise to a new sporophyte. So this is how the reproduction occurs in gymnosperm. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked, please click the like button and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.